Hi friends, my name is Raf. Today we are continuing our Python basic playlist. Our today's topic is Python tokens. It is very important topic. Let's start. Yeah, Python tokens. Yeah, our question number 1 is, what is Python tokens? The answer is, a Python token is the smallest component in a program or in a Python program. We have some Python tokens. They are 1. Keywords, 2. Identifiers, 3. Literals. Yeah. These three are called Python tokens. This three. Yeah. Let's start with Python keywords. Our question number 2 is, what are keywords? Keywords are special reserved words. We have a keywords chart. Let's see it. Yeah, the keyword chart. First, false, class, finally, is, return, non, continue, for, lambda, try, to, def, from, non-local, while, and, del, global, not, with, as, elif, if, or yield. Yeah. These words are called keywords. A very important note is, you can't use these names for making variables, class and functions. Let's check it in the Jupyter notebook and open in the Jupyter notebook. Open CMD, and type JUPYTER-LAB. Then press enter. Then your Jupyter will be open. Create a new Jupyter Python 3 notebook. Then type. Then check it. Sorry. If I type false, create a variable false. The variable's name is false. Then equals to store an integer. Then print false. If you run it, you have an error, syntax error, cannot assign to false. This error is because false is our keyword. You cannot use these names. Use these words or names. These words or name for making variables, class and functions. Yeah. Then if I type class, then print class, then you can find the same error. invalid syntax. But if you create a normal variable like first, 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 then print, Ctrl Z, first, then run it, you cannot find the error because it is a simple variable, not a keyword. Okay, then our next token is identifiers. Our question number 3 is, what are identifiers? The answer will be, identifiers are names used for variables, functions, and objects. Yeah, like this. First is a identifier. Yeah, or student, student is an identifier, then print student, student, then run it. Yeah, 10. Student is identifier. Let's see some rules. Number 1, number 1 rule is, no special character, expect underscore. Okay, special character means if you type stu-dent equals to 10, then print stu-dent, then run it. You have an error. Syntax error, cannot assign to operator, because this is a special character. No special character, expect underscore, but you only use underscore, then run it. Yeah, okay, same. But if you use any special characters like slash, forward slash, or hash, then run it. Again error. Or hashtag, then run it. Again error. Okay, you can only use underscore. Yeah, underscore, no error. Okay, then 2. Then our second rule is identifiers are case sensitive. Like, if you create a variable, don't need this, run it. Okay, then if you create a variable as small as and TUDNT, student equals to 10, then a capital STUDENT, student equals to 100. But these two variables are not same, because one is started with small s and one is started with capital S. One started with small s and one started with capital S. Okay, first of all, if we want to print student, that's why type STUDENT with small s. then run it. Yeah, 10, because student is 10. Then if I type capital S and TUDENT, then run it. Sorry, capital STUDENT. Run it. Sorry, STUDENT. Then run. Oh, sorry, one output is already. That's why type STUDENT, then run it. Yeah, then your output will be 100, because yes, this. Yeah, then our last rule is first letter can't be a digit. Like, create a variable 4, then type STUDENTS, 4 students equals to 100. Okay, then print 4 STUDENTS, 4 students. Sorry, not this, 4. Then run it. Yeah, you have an error, because syntax error, invalid syntax, because first digit can't be a first letter can't be a digit. Sorry, Control Z, then delete it, and if I run it now, then output is 100. Okay, then our last token is literals. Our question number 4 is, what are literals? Literals are constant in Python. Then important note, you cannot change the literals. Let's check it. Then if I create a variable A1, then A1 equals to like hola, sorry, not Spanish, HELL, hello, and run A1, then run it, hello. Okay, here the hello is a consult, the hello is a literals, because you cannot change this value, because hello is a consult. A1 is a variable and hello is a consult. That's why you cannot change the value. Okay, I provide this in the description. I provide the link in the description below. You can download this file. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates.